Welcome back to another Jaguar video. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove and clean EGR valve and intake manifold on Jaguar X Type. First you have to remove the air filter housing to make space. Then remove the EGR. Unclip all electrical connectors, then you have two 10mm bolts on the side and two 8mm bolts at the top and a hose clip at the bottom. Once you finish that, then unscrew the 9 bolts that hold the intake manifold. Obviously you want to change the gaskets too. Make sure the hose clip is loose enough and wiggle out the EGR valve. Get a clean towel and brake cleaner to clean the area.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes
I did manage to get rid of most deposit with brake cleaner and a brush. Now for the next cleaning part, I'll use oven cleaner. This is very effective in cleaning the soot and debris. Some people will say that I can melt the aluminium or damage other components, but the oven cleaner won't stay too long on the surface, so it won't harm anything. Obviously you want to use gloves and safety glasses. Leave the oven cleaner to set for a couple of minutes and then clean it off with brake cleaner. Next is the intake manifold. Take the gaskets off and do the same as you've done with the EGR valve. Repeat the process until you are satisfied with the result. Replace the gaskets and fit everything back.